What's up, YouTube? It's your girl LexUpNext, and I'm back with another video. If you're a returning subscriber, what's poppin'? If you new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So today I'm coming to y'all to show y'all this wig that I have received from UNice hair. This is a 24-inch loose wave wig and 180% density, and it's full. It's giving 180. Y'all see how sleek this wig is and how blended these the lace is. The lace on this wig is so freaking good, y'all. It did not take much or nothing for me to blend this wig in. Of course I flat ironed it because it came as loose wave, as y'all seen in the video when I first pulled out everything out the box, everything that came with it and how it came out the packaging. I really love this hair. Like, it's so freaking soft and it's not shedding at all. Like, it's not getting tangled, it's not doing nothing bad. Like, everything about this wig is good. So I'm gonna leave a link down below that you can go and check these you can go and get this same exact wig if you want. And also, they're having a Black Friday sale. They will be having 48-hour delivery services. So if y'all want to get a wig in 48 hours, go to UNice. And on top of that, they're going to be doing 60% off, buy one get one free. They're having good Black Friday deals, so make sure y'all go check them out in the link below. And yeah, just know LexUpNext sent y'all, and I wouldn't steer y'all wrong because y'all can see it with y'all own eyes how this wig is blended and laid to the gods. So make sure y'all go check them out. And I'm gonna go ahead and get into this video of me installing this wig. I hope y'all enjoy. Make sure y'all go follow me on my Instagram, LexUpNext. So that's my business Instagram. Go follow my personal Instagram, I am Alexis Monet, and go follow my TikTok, I am LexUpNext. And yeah, so enjoy the rest of this video, and I will see y'all in my next video. right, y'all, so as y'all can see, this is the finished results. And I think it came out really, really good. I got my lace blended really good. This side always seems to come out better than the other side. But y'all see that? I'm gonna let y'all just see that side. Cause this side, I don't know what be going on. But I think I really got it blended nicely. Like, it's really blended. So, yeah. Hair looks good. I just wanted to come and show y'all the finished results of this wig install. Let's see if we can get a little bit of the back. Yeah, I got it real nice and real sleek. All I did was flat ironed it, and I put a little bit of spritz on there. It was not much that I had to do to get it straightened, because it came loose wave. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all stay tuned in for my next video. You can really just hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. And if you don't follow me, or so if you're not subscribed to me already, y'all can go ahead and subscribe. The button should be right. So y'all, make sure y'all go subscribe to my channel so you can see more of me and whenever I post a new video. So yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video.